Okay, step forward, walk. So anytime you step, this back foot should be finished as much as you can, upper chest forward. And as the hip changing forward, I'll give you signal to twist with the speed of light. Now from here, push this knee back, this knee forward. And here, a little bit squeezing here. Now, lead your step with the upper chest. So let your chest lead your leg. Very good. Going forward, make sure you're finishing the step. As you finish your pendulum, I'll twist you. And repeat that. Excellent. Walk, finish. Excellent. Make that skirt fly. And yeah, try to move in a straight line, not over there. Right. Not like, after the 2 glasses of tequila. Let's try it again. One more time. And walk, finish back leg, and walk, and slow, and quick, and quick, and slow. So notice when I twist you here, very fast, you have too much energy forward. It means there is not enough energy back. So whatever you give back in your leg, in your hip, give the same in your chest forward. So forward cannot be more than back, or back cannot be more than front. So we counterbalancing forces. Very good. Going forward, walk, hip twist, and wait for my signal to twist you. Going quick and slow, and quick and quick and slow. Somehow you see you traveling this way. It has to stay in the same line. You should stay in the same line. Let's try it again. Doing very good. Yeah, and high chin. Get yourself tall and go quick and quick and turn a little bit faster. Slow and quick and quick and slow. Now they're exactly the same, but we're gonna do 3 steps, then hip twist. 3 steps, then hip twist. So here we go. And quick and slow and quick slow and quick and slow. And you see, when I'm leading you, yeah, it's a little bit too big step. See, I'm also giving you this, my chest. So what is your response? You're going the same with your chest. And you see, I give you chest, you have to give me chest. And there is a different giving chest or giving shoulder. So when you're giving your chest, only one, not 2, only one, this one. The shoulder actually should go backward, and the high chin, no triple chins, high chins, go ahead. And quick, slow, and now next exercise will be crab walk. You're gonna go forward, quick, now go, side step, quick, slow, forward, quick, side, quick, slow, quick, slow, excellent. Now let's go through your choreography and applying these principles into every little walk. Especially pay attention to your high chest forward and hip twist. And a quick, slow, and excellent. Quick and a quick, slow, fan. Quick, slow, excellent. Come in, chest forward, very good. Quick, slow, quick, you're doing good. Slow. Now from here, from spot turn, at this elbow forward position. Quick, slow, good. Quick, slow, hip twist. And quick, slow. Make sure you're landing into the straight leg step. Very good. And quick, slow. Now close legs, gradual down. Quick, slow. Quick, slow. Now when you turn, keep your legs as tight as possible. And keep this leg here, like I put a tape here. Quick, excellent. Slow, reach to the sky. Quick, slow, rumba walks. Quick, slow, beautiful. Quick, point your foot. Slow, into the spiral, right. Slow, tall, stay tall. Quick and slow, good. Quick and slow. And now put your arm here, do an alemana, quick, slow, beautiful. Quick, yeah, you have to really step there. Quick, point the front foot, good. Quick, slow, close leg single. forward yet. Just twist. Quick, quick, slow, quick, and a quick. Slow, quick, and a quick, slow. Spot turn. Put your arm here. Yes, follow me. Good. Quick and a quick, slow. New York. And quick, turn out your front foot as much as you can. Right. And a quick, slow, and quick, quick, and slow. And arm here to the side. So this, yes, this way. Very good. Over your head. Quick, quick, slow, right? Those spot turns. Quick, keep turning. Quick, slow, good. One more. Quick, quick, slow into the heart. And now turn. Hold. Let's stay there. Now I will stretch as much as I can here. Then the second you'll join me. Womb. Womb, excellent. And I go walk, walk, changes. Excellent. We run out of. Let's try this piece again. Excellent. High hip. High hip. Now exit. Put your arm onto your left shoulder. Turn, turn, turn. Arm up. Now put arm on your other shoulder. Very good. Boom. Into the back bend position. Relax your head. Right. Good. Slide back. Boom. Now into the box. Chuk, 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 chuk. And bow. Just a little bit